Hi guys, welcome to my video. Today I will talk about the next four picture. Okay, now listen to my story. The first trend. The trend movie fast. When I was young, I loved to watch trains. Every afternoon, I go to watch the sunset and wait for the train to pass. Back then, I chose green seat. I could sit on the train and think about new land. Trains often move very fast, so I think if I sat on it, the train of a new land would come too quickly. As I grew up, I went very fast and also took many trains to new lands. I realized that the farther I went, the more I remembered the homeland where I grew up. But each year, remember my childhood dream. What was your dream as a child? The second picture. The four picture. Second picture have four picture. Okay, I will talk about this is my hotel. My hotel, there are four seasons. There are autumn, spring, summer, winter. My favorite season is spring. It is often lasts from November to February. In spring, the weather is a bit cold. This season, the flower plum so beautiful. In the summer, the weather is not too hot, and often it rains more. It often lasts from March to August. I also like season is autumn, 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 autumn. In the autumn, it is wintry, cool weather, and comfortable. It starts from August to October. The winter in my hometown is quite hot. It's quite hot. But now snow. It starts from October to November. The next picture. The next picture have a closet. In closet have 6 gifts box. 6 big for box. Umbrella, backpack, teddy bear. And there are 4 bears, shoe, for bears, shoe. Since I don't have college, I will give you my room. Okay, follow me. The first is an umbrella at the door. Next is the cooking table. Two backpack. Who is my cousin at my bed? My cousin. The cousin is cute, right? Can you see anything hangs off there? That is my friend's guitar. At 2 teddy bear. And this is my study desk. My study desk. Okay, bye. The next picture. Work. I really like sport because it gives me good health to fight the job. Every morning I get up at 5 a.m. in the summer and 5:30 a.m. in the winter to work. I always work for about 30 minutes to 1 hour every morning before I go to school. in the afternoon. Sometimes go to the park to work because I'm busy. Doing extra work in the afternoon. Afternoon go when I'm free. I think walking is extremely healthy, helping us to have a comfortable spirits in life. Okay, thank you for watching to my video. Bye bye.